Hello everyone, present here. So my name is Rishabh. I am from 8th grade MG Road branch, and today I am going to tell you that what is actually force and what thing strikes our mind when we say the word force. Okay, so first thing that strikes our mind is that what is force? Obviously it's a common. So what is force? Force is pushing or pulling something. Okay, pushing or pulling something is called force. A bookish definition, as we know. So second question that strikes our mind is the types of force, means how many types of forces. There are many types, but a clear-cut definition is that there are two types of force, which are contact force and other is non-contact force. So what is contact force and what is non-contact force, right? So what is contact force is, like, here's a cube, Rubik's cube. I just push it. So as you can see clearly that I am in contact to this cube. So I am pushing it, I am in contact. So it's a contact force, as you all know. It's a common thing. But what is non-contact force? Suppose I take a balloon. And I rub it to my hair or to my sweater, and I just bring it near to my hand. So what we will observe is that our hairs just get attracted to that balloon, right? Just get attracted. So it's a force, right? It's a force, but it's non-contact. Why it's non-contact? Because suppose it's a balloon and I rub it on here, so it's a non-contact. Why it's non-contact? Because I'm not touching it to here. I'm not touching it to my skin. I'm only above. It is only above my skin. So it is not getting. It is getting attracted. So it is a non-contact force, not in contact. So the third, but last but not the least, question is that what are effects of force? What are effects of force? There are many effects of force. So we will talk about 4 effects of force. So what are 4 effects of force? So first effect is that a force can make a stationary object move and a moving object to a rest position. So what we will take an example is, actually I'm going to take a shuttlecock box, and what I'm actually is doing, it's in motion. It's in motion. So I'm making it stop. I'm applying some force, so it stopped. So it's in stationary. So it's stationary. So I push it, I apply some force, and now it's in motion. So it's in motion. Now I again apply it, so it's in rest. So the first effect is that if an object is stationary, you apply force, it's in motion. It's in motion, we apply force, it is in rest. Okay. So second point which we know is that which we know is that if we take a object, the force can just change the shape and the size of the object. Actually, what is shape and size? Like, I take a rubber band and just stretch it and just leave it. So what it will happen, that rubber band will actually I've applied force and it expands. When I leave it, it again compresses. So what is actually here, that applied force on it, expand, means it changes size and shape. Okay, it's done. Now next point is coming, that force can change the direction of the body. What direction of the body, but how? Okay, let's see. For example, like, it's a shuttlecock box. I hope it is visible to you. So it's moving, right? It's moving. But when I applied force to it like this, so it's moving. Have you observed that? I'm moving it and I applied. So it's moving in this position. So that point we have said that the force can change the direction of the object. And what again, the last but not the least point is that the force can change it. Takes change in speed also. Like, it's stationary or it's in motion. But if I push it, so it's in speed, means change in speed. Force is applied, change in speed. So this was the last point. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you and have a nice day.